Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export Logic Pro as MP3. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, let's open our project. So firstly, what we are going to do is open the project. Okay, so let's do that very quickly like that. I will open this one here. So it will take a few seconds to load up. All right. Now, first, what we are going to do is here, this top timeline, as you can see, needs to be yellow. So what you need to do is just simply drag, click on it, and then you can drag the end here to adjust where you want it. So always make sure that it's a little bit further, like so. Now what we are going to do next is tap to the project name and at the top left corner, and you will see here the button export, like so. And now what we are going to do is select compressed, and for A, uh, it will act as a MP3 file. So if you click on this on the right side, this icon here, blue icon here, some of you will have option here also MP3, so you can select that file format, and bitrate we will adjust to 320 kilobits per second. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Here you can set the start position and end position also. And yeah, when you finish with these settings, that just click on the export button, which we are going to do now, like so. And yeah, now it will start exporting. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.